Dr. Pardas SGI. I am Sandhya Madhuri, chemistry faculty, having 17 years of experience, explaining you the practical about the practical examination of salt analysis. Let us do it. Here I am explaining about the salt analysis. This is a salt given in a Welch glass, and you have to first report the preliminary test for this. Preliminary test includes the color and the physical state. Color is white, and physical state is amorphous. If it is shining, yes, it is shining. Now, when it is shining, it is crystalline. If it is dull, then it is said to be amorphous. Okay, and then after that, we will go to the flame test. Flame test, you have to take some salt in a spatula, nickel spatula, and add concentrated H2SO4 and make a paste. So concentrated HCl, little bit I am pouring, and make a paste like this, and you heat it on a flame. The color of the flame you are looking here, it is blue. Now it changes as it is. The cation is barium, so it changes. The color of the flame changes to grassy green. The flame color you are seeing, it is changed to green, grassy green. So we have done the flame test, and after the flame test, we have to identify the anions. For the anions, the first test is to the salt, we have to add dilute HCl. So if I am adding a dilute HCl, adding a dilute HCl, if I am getting any effervescence means like bubbles if I am getting, or any colorless gas is evolved, then it will be carbonate. But no colorless gas and effervescence is evolved, so it is absent. Carbonate is absent. So acetate, for the acetate also, the smell should be vinegar smell. But there is no vinegar smell in this test, so acetate is also absent. So we will go for the third anion, take a test tube. Third anion, checking for, because the two anions are absent. The third anion I will check. Take a salt in a test tube and add concentrated H2SO4. Concentrated H2SO4 it is. So when I am adding, if white fumes are evolved, then it will be chloride. If brown fumes are evolved, see here, brown fumes are evolved, the total solution has become brown, and you are seeing that brown fumes are coming out. Slowly the reaction is going on there. Little bit I'll pour again. See here, brown fumes are coming out. Brown fumes are coming out. The fumes are coming out. That means if brown fumes are coming after adding the concentrated H2SO4, then the anion is bromide. If white fumes are evolved instead of brown, then the anion is chloride. Slowly it is reacting and giving us the brown fumes. So in this salt, we have identified the anion. Anion is bromide. So we are getting a brown fumes here in the test tube. Now we will go for the cation. Cation, for the test cation, take a salt in a test tube. Add some water. Make a solution. Add ammonium chloride. Ammonium chloride. I am directly testing for the fifth group. Ammonium chloride. After adding ammonium chloride, add ammonium hydroxide. Add ammonium hydroxide. After adding ammonium hydroxide, you have to add ammonium carbonate. In the directly fifth group I am doing. Ammonium carbonate. And shake it nicely. You are getting a white precipitatum. The solid is formed. The product is solid, which is called white precipitate is formed. That means fifth group cation is present, which includes barium and calcium. So barium, calcium and strontium. So I have to test for barium, calcium and strontium. For that, take a test tube. Take a test tube. add some salt, add water, and make a solution. Now I am testing for confirmatory test for barium or calcium. So here I am taking, here I have got an anion as bromide, and cation I have confirmed it as a fifth group elements, cation elements. So I am testing confirmatory, I am testing for the confirmatory test of barium and calcium. Take a salt and add some water. In this, to the solution, add potassium chromate. When I am adding the potassium chromate, I am getting a yellow PPT, yellow precipitate, yellow solid. This confirms that the cation is barium. If I get a clear solution like this, then it will be calcium. Now the cation is barium in the salt, the cation is barium and anion is bromide, as I got the bronze fumes. Now the salt, what is the name of the salt now? Barium bromide. Barium is the cation, bromine is the anion. Together I am combining and telling what is that? Barium bromide. The salt name is barium bromide. Thank you.